labor, labor, labor. Noun. Definition: work, especially hard physical work. Example: the price of repairs includes labor and parts. Noun. Definition: the process of childbirth, especially the period from the start of uterine contractions to delivery. Example: his wife is in labor. Intransitive verb. Definition: work hard, make great effort. Example: they labored from dawn to dusk. Intransitive verb. Definition: have difficulty in doing something despite working hard. Example: Coley labored against confident opponents. Intransitive verb. Definition: of a woman in childbirth, be in labor. Example: she labored very well and comfortably because she was relaxed.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.